Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the bounce. Deploy, smash them!
Yung si Sisi, girly yoyo. Jungle. Hindi naman na jungle eh. Nakalimutan ko yun, yung mic, yung listening natin. Ano natin? Ang tagal.
Tagalog.
Iputang kaya. Nagulat ako.
Tabo!
Babatang puta. Ano yun? Yung second to may pinili mo, San Monkey.
Dito. Dito.
Uy, bligan.
Balik ka, balik. Patay M dyan. Balik.
First blood.
Patay.
Din balik.
Tatawa pa kayo sa kalokohan nyo, loko.
In the world of Kung Fu, speed defines the winner. Everybody has to start somewhere.
Bala kayo dun.
Diyan ka lang sa gitna. Malamig.
Gago.
Knowing is not enough. We must apply.
Ay, dagat.
Ay, wala. Tinuan lang ang baba. Grabe man.
Grabe man. Naiiyak ko, babe.
Ay, hello, babe. Ay, babe. Nakuha na nga kung ano. Namarap tayo, no. Ala, hindi ka madalagan.
Ingay, guys.
Don't kill me.
Ayun. Kaya na San Monkey. Everybody is monkey fighting. Ayun,
Boxing is not a way to hurt
Ayun,
somebody.
lumabas yung monkey sa...
Hello, Bill. Ma'am, mamamatay tayo. Dalawa.
Patay. Patay ka. Kayin.
Ally has been
Diba?
launch
Ah,
attack!
si Vitaly.
No,
Sige kasi yan eh. CCD ka namimigay ng ano ah. Batang umiiyak. Breaking news.
An ally has slain the
Dalalag tayo. Uy, gago. Kala ko ito kasi yung gago.
Ubus tayo ng milk. Iba milk na sikat.
Empty your cup in order to fill it again. Knowing is not
Bulik! Tulong!
Apply.
Tulong!
Kaya, dalawa. Kami.
Clickback ko pa mo yun, gagi.
The battle for me is not been born yet.
Ay.
Mamatay na tayo, guys. Uy, CC lulusog mag-isa.
ally has been slain.
CC lulusog mag-isa.
Patay niyo.
Kaya naman niya siguro hindi niya kaya mag-isa yun. Gago. MM kasi.
Hindi pa nag-zero.
Gago.
Ay.
Mamatay pa tayo.
No!
Dapat nag-zero na lang.
Dilag kasi tayo, guys. Dilag na ismo
Huwag
na
na
talaga.
magpapatang.
Yung
Ito.
hindi lag ah. Hindi yung lag na wifi. Yung lag na mismo talaga. Yung parang ganito, stop ganun. Ang kintab ng buhok na tiyo. Tayo.
Come here!
Everybody has to start somewhere.
La, la, la.
No thanks. Bayang
Yan.
San Monkey.
Boxing is not a way to hurt somebody, but in order.
No.
Sa si San Monkey. Itong
In the
ina.
world of Kung Fu,
Di lang pala ito
speed
gago.
defines the winner.
Bye.
Ciao.
Ang ina, naglalag tayo, guys.
Shut down!
Okay, yes. Nakiyasan pa natin yun.
Patay.
Everybody has to start somewhere.
Ano yun, yun lang? Takbo ka lang. Takbo lang alam mo. Tangka yan, dami.
Patay.
Gago.
Empty your cup in order to fill it again.
Ang dami guys, gagi. Ayun
Ally
sino.
has been slain.
Nagawa niya yun dun.
In the world of Kung Fu, speed defines the winner. Not knowing oneself, that's the worst.
Tal tayo guys. Ang daming kalaban dun.
Oh,
Patay si Balmond.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Ala ko nakaligtas pa siya.
Ally has
Nasa
been
patay din ni
slain.
Hanabi.
Enemy double kill.
Bakit? Nagkakampi!
Our turret is under attack.
Sabing sama-sama nga.
Our turret is under attack. Initiate retreat. Double kill.
Ang bata.
Retreat destroyed. Initiate retreat. Request backup.
Try ko nga na mag-kickback. Try natin mag-kickback guys. Kailangan yung ano, hindi
Request backup.
Side kasi MMA.
Boxing is not a way to hurt somebody, but in order.
Kulang tayo sa kating ko guys. Sincho natin para may pilay.
Knowing is not enough. We
Yes,
must
hindi na
apply.
igog.
Wala sabing sama-sama.
Kaya niyan.
Surrender na.
Kanina naman napindot ko kanina oh. At surrender.
Beat me has not been born yet.
Ito na
Ito yung
tulong.
RG to sa surrender kayo.
Ay, surrender eh.
Kaya surrender kayo RG to.
Kulang pala kayo kalaban eh.
Boxing is not a way to hurt somebody, but in order.
You know.
Kasama. Hihingin ko ang puso ko.
Uy, gago.
Ito pala.
You can beat me has not been
Ang
born yet.
layo nun. Grabe yun, ang layo. Nag-turtle bala kayo dyan.
Everybody has to start somewhere.
Monster kill.
Kickback. Kaso hindi pa nag-back na back.
In the world of Kung
Yung
Fu,
mga patay san
speed
monkey.
defines the winner.
Ay, need
Yung mga patay like I said.
The enemy has slain the turtle. An enemy has been
Bagal.
slain. Ally has been slain.
Ang ingay ng motor.
Enemy double kill.
Pwede pa nag-iirap pa lang ako.
Triple kill.
Oh, ano, ninyap. Tama na savage mo dito. Hindi mo ko savage.
Knowing is not enough.
Ano?
Apply.
Ayun siya, nabilis oh. May turtle power siya eh.
Empty your cup in order to fill it again.
Bagag.
Down. Godlike. Launch attack.
Ano yun? Nagwala yung lion niya. Gago. Nagwala yung
Our
lion niya
turret
guys.
is under attack.
Isan, hindi kayo nagpupush na kayo push.
Push first.
Ay, stop! Wow!
Knowing oneself, that's the worst.
Kaya mo yan, Balmond. Kaya mo yan.
Good game.
Masanas dito pa masanas.
Ally has been legendary. Ally has been enemy double kill. Our turret has been destroyed. You destroyed a turret.
Not knowing oneself, that's the worst.
Ayun si Zilong. Dapat tayong ulti eh.
Our turret is under attack.
Kasi tayong ulti.
Empty your cup in order to
Our
fill it
turret has
again.
been destroyed.
Lang, wala pa tayong ulti guys.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Deck.
Clear us legendary.
Boxing is not a way to hurt somebody,
Sarap lang si
but
Ben,
in
di ko ito nakita.
Ouch!
Nasa harapan lang yung natin si Ben, di pa yata nakita. Nakataka yung Ben sa harap natin guys.
Your team destroyed
Dragon
turret.
Fruit.
Enemy dominated.
Oh, hindi mo ako kapatay ba bro? Hindi mo ako kapatay in your dreams. Ipatay naman patay guys. Let's go.
knowing is not enough. We must apply.
So wag. Hindi na to no. Oh, sobrang saka pa yung bail nyo.
The man who can beat me has not been born yet.
Hindi tumatakbo lapit. Kaya dyan mga tayo. May naglalagpustahan.
Empty your
Wala.
cup in order to fill
Okay.
it again.
Ayaw ko nang bagsayin eh. Nang ano kasi yan. Nang wasa. Ayan, nagliyan na naman oh. Patay ka dyan.
Has been slain.
Patay ka dyan sa yun.
The man who can beat me has not been born
Ally
yet.
has been slain.
Grabe guys, mamatay yun.
Oh!
Tayo, gago.
In the world of Kung Fu,
Ay, nako.
defines the
Your
winner.
turret is under attack.
Kanahin lang lang, damit. Damit.
Damit.
Oy,
Knowing is not
Damit ko.
enough. We must
Ay.
apply.
Damit ka.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Hang in there.
Boxing is not a way to hurt somebody, but in order.
The enemy has slain
Ito yung RG to, mag-surrender kayo. Galing nyo.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Not knowing yourself. That's the worst.
Wait,
doon lang
guys.
nag-iisa na wala na.
Enemy gone.
Gago.
Ally has down. Enemy double kill.
Tang ina kasi.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Destroyed. Our base is under attack.
Everybody has to start somewhere.
Our turret is under attack.
Sampalin mo si Bebe, sampalin mo.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Sampalin
Not knowing oneself. That's the worst.
Huwag mo isubo yung daliri ko para ay, hindi makagat.
Ang pinasakit.
Our base is under
In the world
attack.
of Kung Fu, speed defines the winner.
Tayo dun guys.
Killing spree.
Wait lang.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Sobrang na naman ako sa kape. Ay no. Ay na kasi nagre-regen ako.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Padep na natin to.
Our base is under attack.
Ano gawin natin? Talo pa rin to.
Talo na.
Talo na.
Talo guys. Okay lang yan. Nice G. Nice G.